Hi, I'm Dr. Stacy Ripke. We are just gearing up for our third AHEAD Symposium, which focuses on achieving health equity through access for all with disabilities. This virtual event is open to the public and focuses on bringing together experts, advocates, and policymakers to discuss improving access to oral health care for people with disabilities. So, for today's 3-Minute Mondays, we're going to take a look back at our visit to the NYU Dentistry Oral Health Center for People with Disabilities. Come along with us.
One of the really amazing things about the center is the architectural layout, and it was very intentional in the way in which it was done. We have this incredible sensory room here where if somebody needs to de-escalate or needs a little bit of quiet time, they can go in there. And we actually also have the capability of treating an individual in this room.
Most people don't know that access to oral health care is the #1 unmet healthcare need of individuals with disabilities. Here, some of it is lack of training in dental schools, some of it is bias, stigma, fear. So the offering that I'm going to talk to you a little bit about is Unit Zero, and we have put together this educators summit that is focused on faculty, students, and the dental profession at large so that they can have a better understanding on how to care for this population. They will learn from leaders in the space. They will walk away with incredible tools and techniques that they can utilize and implement immediately.
I'm really passionate about incorporating concepts and behavioral techniques from fields like occupational therapy, speech therapy, and behavioral development in trying to build a future for our patients here, especially the special care needs population, and reducing the amount of OR visits that our patients receive every year.
Before we leave, let's stop and chat with some of the students who are here treating patients today.
It's super rewarding when a patient comes in very fearful for their first dental visit, and then you can see their progress over time.
I think compassion can take you far in the way when you understand your patients and you understand exactly why they're here and what they need, and that just allows you to deliver better care.
My favorite thing about being here is that I get to see the same patients on a regular basis, and I've really gone to develop a relationship with them and make sure that they're excited to come in and that I'm equally excited to see them when they're here as well.
Now that you've seen the center and learned a bit about the remarkable work happening here, we hope that you're energized to join us at the AHEAD Symposium on November 13th. Please register today, and we look forward to seeing you there. That's it for today's 3-Minute Mondays, and we'll see you next week.